Hello everyone, good day. It's a wonderful day again. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. You all know how it goes down in this channel. Except if you are new to this channel and you have not been keeping yourself up to date with this channel, then you will know that this channel serves you with the best deals and opportunities around. So I will simply implore you to keep tabs with this channel so that you can always get the best deals and opportunities around. Like most of the returnees to this channel already know that we are always serving you the best deals and opportunities online around. We are always serving you with them as they come out on a daily basis, on weekly basis, on monthly basis. Anytime any opportunity come out, we come out to simply evaluate the opportunity, review the opportunity, and also ask you to do your diligent research on the opportunity and to also get involved so that you can start making money. So, like I have always promised on this channel, you will always get a whole lot of information regarding any opportunity that is out there that you can simply look into and make some money. Okay, if you are new to this channel, you are welcome. This channel is called Business Launch and it's seek to always serve you with the best deal and opportunities around. You can always browse through some of my videos on my channel and see how you could also benefit from some of the opportunities that we have always been talking about. Okay, and I will also implore you that please do subscribe to my channel. You can do that by simply clicking on the subscription button down below, and also you can like our videos and share with your friends and family. Okay, we'll be getting straight into today's video. Today's video will be reviewing one of the opportunity that is out there that a lot of people are also going into now. And I believe if you also listen to all the information I will be releasing concerning this opportunity, you can also get involved and benefit from the deal out there. So we'll be reviewing the opportunity called AutoFx. There's another opportunity out there that is called AutoFx. It's a program, is a company that seeks to help trade with bots. They help you trade with their bots. They have a bot, which is the products they are promoting, and they trade with it for you. Once you subscribe with them, they start trading with your capital using their bot. So the bot trades for you. You don't have to stress yourself knowing about the technical analysis and knowing about the chart of the forex market. All you need to do is just to put in your capital, get your account activated, and you start earning with the bots. And the good thing about AutoFX is also that the company simply allows you to be in control of your capital. They allow you to be in control of your capital. Some other programs out there, some other companies out there that are also going into similar uh, method of trading with bots don't allow you to be in total control of your capital. But AutoFX allows you to be in control of your capital. How do they allow you to be in control of your capital? They allow you to be in control of your capital by simply allowing you to register or to register on whatever platform, whatever broker platform you like. They are not the one that will, they are not mandating you that you must register with their own broker platform. They allow you to register with any broker platform, put in your money. All you need to do is just to link the whatever broker platform you have chosen to the your AutoFX account, and if their bot starts trading for you on whatever platform you have chosen, whatever broker platform you have chosen to register on. And the broker platform that you must register on must be the one that accepts both MT4, that accepts either MT4 or MT5. That accept either MT4 or MT5. So there are several platforms out there that accept MT4 or MT5 trading. So what we'll simply do now, I will simply will show you uh the PDF plan from AutoFX. There's a PDF material from AutoFX that I will simply run through in this video with you guys so that you can see all the opportunities all the opportunity involved and how you can earn with them. So we'll just simply get into the slide now. Okay, just wait for it to load a bit. Okay, this is the slide now. I'll just simply go into the full screen. Okay, like you can see, this is the slide from AutoFx itself. You can see that this material was gotten from www.autofxlive. So, okay, to AutoFx simply use artificial intelligence. They are one of these companies that trade on forex markets, crypto markets, and some other assets market. They simply program their bots to trade for you. So is one of the companies that trade using the artificial intelligence. That's the AI bots. And once all you need to do is to register. How do you register? You cannot just register by just going to their site. You need a link to register. So if you have not registered or you have not created your account, I'll drop a link below this video that you can use to register on AutoFx and get started with them. It's very simple. I will explain all what you need to get started to activate your account and how the amount of money you also need, the minimum amount you require to get started with them, so that at least you can factor all that in and also know if it's what you can be able to do or you won't be willing to do it because of the amount. So everything will be discussed in this video. So I'll just simply run through the slide. I may not actually explain some slide because the slide is much, but I will pick the important part of the slide and explain. Then uh, probably in my subsequent video, I will still do some videos on explaining what AutoFX is all about and how you can make some cool cash from it and every other thing you need to know. Okay, let's get into the slide now. Like I said, AutoFX is an AI company that trade the forex market with their products, which is the bots that you will be subscribing to or you'll be buying. And then you fund your account with your capital and the bot start trading for you. Okay. Um about AutoFX. So AutoFX is a quantitative team. The AFX quantitative team has many years of practical experience in quantitative strategies and has developed a professional quantitative knowledge classroom for novices so that AFX will become a quantitative master in a short time and use AB trades quantitative robots to maximize profits in forex trading investment. Just this is just an example of what I've explained before. They use their robots to trade for you and trade for you in the forex market. So with the use of that robot, you simply don't have to know anything about forex markets. All you need to do is just to put your money in, and it's more like your money working for you because the robot will do all the work for you, and that is the in thing that is really happening now. But a lot of companies are coming out with a whole lot of artificial intelligence now that can do the work for you. You don't have to stress yourself and start disturbing yourself with all the quantitative and technical analysis of the charts. You don't even need to know how the chart is. All you need to do is just to simply put in your money and the bot starts working for you. So I'll move to the next slide, which talks about trading. All these you can always read on your own, but I would just like to explain some few things. We'll soon get into the very important part now. Okay, so this is just talking about trading. So the trader is a person, firm, or entity in finance who buys and sells financial instruments such as forex, cryptocurrency, stocks, bonds, commodities, derivatives, and mutual funds in the capacity of agents, edger, arbitrator, or speculator. So this is just defining who a trader is. Anyway, let's move to the next play. These are motivational quotes. I'll just simply take one of them just to encourage any investor. Okay, I'll take the last one, which says it isn't where you came from, it's where you're going that counts. This is just to motivate you as an investor to see your dreams and take steps, take actions to actualize them. So the next one, I'll just say how to start the business. Okay, all you need to start the business is very simple. You need a smartphone, then activation fund. Now, I will talk about the activation fund here. I said as we go along the line, I will be mentioning what you need, everything you need to do to start AutoFX, everything you need to go into the program and start earning. Now, one of the things you are going to be needing is the activation fund. In the monetary terms, I'm talking about the money involved now, so that you will know the total capital, the minimum required capital you will require to start the AutoFX opportunity. Okay, you said you need your activation fund. Now, you need your smartphone in the sense that you have to register. So once you register, like I said, you need a link to register, and I said I will drop a link below this video. So do not forget to click on the link, and once you click on the link, you fill everything that is required for you to fill on the platform, on the interface, and then you fill your information, they send email to you, you confirm, then you get started. Now to activate, you said you need activation fund. So that's the one I'll be explaining that now. You need this activation fund. You need an activation fund of $110. Now, the activation fund is actually $80, but I will explain how the 110 will be shared. You need an activation fund of $110. Now, in this $110, to $10 is used for GPS funding. So the site will deduct GPS. So once you fund your account with this $110, then you will only see $100 in your wallet, in your e-wallet. I will still go into the AutoFX platform to show you all this. You will see $100 in your e-wallet. Why? Because in the process of funding the $110, once the money lands into your account, $10 is immediately deducted for GPS. There is one of the ways I can say maybe that should be like a gas fee. That amount is not really explained anyway, but is being held, so you will not see it in your account. Then out of the $100 remaining, on $20 will be deducted for fuel fee. Most of these programs always charge fuel fee, and some call it gas fee. So $20 will be deducted. Then in your wallet, you will now have $80 remaining to activate that, which is their activation fund. So the total activation fund you'll be needing is $110. So you need to keep that at the back of your mind. You need to note that. Then the next stage is fuel fee. Okay, we have already talked fuel fee. You say you also need fuel fee, which minimum of 200 in broker. So this fuel fee has been explained. Sorry, this fuel fee has been explained. This fuel fee has been explained inside this activation fund. Inside that 110. So the fuel fee is already, so you won't be needing this. But another thing you'll be needing is minimum of $200 in broker account. So like I said, you can register with any broker platform that is MT4 and MT5 enabled, MT4 or MT5 enabled, as long as you can browse and choose any broker platform you like. There are several broker platforms out there, but the broker platform you'll be choosing must be MT4 and MT5 enabled. So that's one of the good things about AutoFX. Also, AutoFX is not choosing a platform for you. You can decide to register with any platform of your own and put your capital there. That's why I said your capital is in 100%, is in your control 100%. AutoFX is not in control of the capital for you. But the bots, once you link your broker platform to your bot, to your AutoFX bot, the bots start trading for you. So you are in control of your capital. Because in some other companies, in some other programs, the uh, company is the one that will actually choose a broker for you, that will actually give you that register with this broker. So in that case, you might not be in total control of your capital, but in this case, you will be the one to even choose any broker you want. So they are not in control of your capital. You are actually in control of your capital. But the problem now is there is the only thing now is not a problem anyway. The only thing now is you, for in that your broker account, in that broker platform that you have chosen, you have to have a minimum amount of $20 for trading. You have to always have this minimum amount of $20 for trading. So to kickstart, let's say you need $200 and 110. So the total of this will give us 310. So at least you need like 310 to kickstart AutoFX. You need like $310 to kickstart AutoFX, because $110 will be used for your activation fund and your fuel fee, while $200 will be required as a minimum trading capital in your broker account. So you need to put all that into consideration. Once you have a minimum, you could actually go more than this amount, but the minimum requirement in terms of monetary value for you to kickstart this AutoFX program is $310. So you know whatever the exchange rate is in your local currencies, you can always exchange it and get started. So I will still show you how to activate and fund your account, but let's still go ahead with this slide. Then the third thing here says fully automated hands-free trading. Of course, there's you don't need to do anything. The company has already programmed the bots to trade for you, fully automated. That's why I said it's an AI system. All you need to do is to put your money there and relax and watch it trade for you. So that's all about this slide. I'll just move to the next slide. Okay, this talks about money freedom and time freedom. Of course, with AutoFX bots trading for you, your money is working for you, and you also have time freedom. You don't have to stay glued to the chart, studying the chart. You don't even have to know anything about it. You don't even have to look at it. All you need to know is that the bot is trading for you, and you are gaining your profits on daily basis from Monday to Friday, because it trades from Monday to Friday. So there's time freedom for you. You can use the time you will have used to stay glued to the screen, studying the charts, doing analysis, technical analysis, quantitative analysis. You are not doing all that. You can use that time for something else. Some people would even use that time to sleep. So, and when they wake up, they are seeing some profit. So that's all this place is talking about. Money. You have your money freedom and your time freedom. Okay, this just shows the chart of the uh trading, the trading charts. An example, a diagrammatic representation of the trading chart. Okay, we also have the types of broker accepted. They accept all broker that is MT4 and MT5 enabled. All broker that is MT4 and MT5 enabled, AutoFX accepts it. So you are in total freedom to choose the type of broker you want. You don't have to follow their own broker. You are free to link your accounts with any broker platform. Yeah, but your broker platform must be MT4 or MT5 enabled. Okay, let's move on. Now, like I explained the 110 before, like I explained the 110 before, you can see now, they say the joining amount is $80. You know, the other time I mentioned that 110, you are going to be deleting this 110. So out of this 110, your activation fund, your joining amount, registration amount is actually going to be this $80. Then there's a VPS charge. Like I said, once you fund your account with 110, it's only $100 that will land into your wallet, because there is a charge of VPS. Okay, I beg your pardon. The other time I called it GPS. It's a mistake. This is actually VPS. There's a charge of VPS of $10 that will be charged from your account. So once you fund your account with 110, don't be shocked, don't be surprised. You will only see $100 in your account, because as your money is landing, $10 will be charged immediately for this VPS. You can see it here. So, and after the $10 be charged from the 110, you will be left with $100. Out of the $100, your joining amount is $80. While the $20 remaining will be used as the fuel fee. So registration is free, but to activate your account, you need $110. You can register for free. So for instance, if you don't have the money to put in now, you can actually register with the link. Just register, fill in your details, and when you have fund to put in, you can now put it in. So you know that you at least you'll have secured a space there by registering. Once you register, you have registered for free. So once you have secured the space, when you have the fund, you can now decide to fund the account, and you already know how much you should equip yourself with just to join this AutoFX. Okay, I'll move to the next one. Now, this place talks about the types of incomes. This talks about the types of income, because on AutoFX, just like some other AI company. On AutoFX, there are basically uh, two parts to earn. There's the passive part and there's the active part. Now, the passive part is simply that you just register, you activate your account, and you link your all want is you just want the bot to trade for you. That's the passive part, and you start getting your money. You're not doing anything. You're just passive about it. Your money is working for you. All you are interested in is the daily profit. Now there's the active part. The active part is that you need to also get involved. You need to also get involved in the sense that you put in your fund, you your money is working for you, the bot is trading for you, but on the other hand, you also want to get involved because uh, there's a referral program on AutoFX. So you can decide to talk about this opportunity to people and they can also decide to join. So as you are getting involved by spreading the good news, spreading the gospel, I beg your pardon, by spreading the AutoFX news, people start joining your team. And as people are joining your team, you get referral bonuses. And that's why this place talks about these different type of incomes that you can earn by participating in the referral program. Now, there's what we call the referral programming. Now, the referral programming is you talk to people about the program, they join using your link, and as they join you, they are your downlines, and you gain commission from them as they join your team. So as you build your team, you gain commissions from them, and as you gain commission, the commission are yours. You are free to withdraw them. Then we have fuel programming, 20%. So all these once you join, you understand all this more. Like I said, there's a fuel fee that is being charged $20. So this is part of it, fair programming. This fair programming is also under this referral program because as people join, that $20 is also charged from their account, and there's a way you also gain from it. So there's partner programming. All these as you grow this partner program, as you grow in the business, you understand more about this partner programming. You are becoming a partner with the company. So there's a percentage of earnings that goes to you too as you participate in this active part of earning. Then there's performance programming. Performance programming, we talk about your team performance. We talk about your team performance, and you can earn as your team perform more. And this team performer also talks about even their trading, as their bot is also trading. Yeah, there's also commissions accruing to you. So there's a whole lot of you cannot even understand, or you cannot even begin to see how robust these earnings can be, how big they can really be by the time you get in and you start earning. But what I always tell people is you don't just simply look into the referral program. It's not a must. Some people will say they cannot refer people. Yes, I've had a lot of people always saying that, but the one thing about all these AI company and one thing about this auto FX is that you don't have to refer people. There's just the passive part of you putting in your money and the system works for you, and you start earning your profits on daily basis from Monday to Friday. And the end of the week, you withdraw your money. But that's just the passive part. You can be satisfied with that, and you don't want to bother yourself with the referral program. So these AI companies come out now and they don't bug you, they don't stress you with the referral part. If you don't want to do it, no problem. Just let the bot start doing it, start working for you, and you at the end of the week you earn your profit and you move. So, but what I always tell people is don't bother yourself with the referral part, the referral program yet. All you need to do is get involved, test run the system, see if it is working at all, see if you can withdraw. Just test run the system, get yourself familiarized with the system, see the review on your own. Like just I'm doing a review for you now, you can get involved and actually experience it and see if I've not experienced it, I will not come and start sharing this video on it. So you need to get involved on your own. Create your account, activate your account, fund your account, see how it works, understand the process first. Then, if it's really working for you, to be easy for you to tell people. But if it's not working for you, then there's no need to spread any news. Is whatever you have experienced, you have tested of it. That's when you can now start telling people. So I always tell people forget about the referral program first. If you want to do it, fine. If you don't want to do it, fine. But don't start bugging yourself until you refer people you will not earn. No, this program is these AI companies have referral program, but they don't mandate you to do these referral programs. You can start any on your own. Just stay on your own by just simply activating your bot, and your bot start trading for you. The more your capital, the more your profit. So all you need to do if you want to stay on your lane, just put in a large chunk of capital there. You start earning even without referring anybody. And even if you put a small capital there, is whatever you put in that will determine what you get out. So you can just decide to stay on your own. But I can assure you that once you start earning, once you start uh, making money from the platform, and you see how the platform works, and you can really say that this platform can be trusted, then I tell you that you surely want to bring people in, because people will see your results. People will see that you're making money, and you can't hide money now. So you will definitely tell people about it. So either consciously or subconsciously, you start telling people. So, and that's where the referral program starts. So that's why I always say, don't disturb yourself with the referral, because a lot of people, once they see a lot of opportunities or programs and it's all about referral, they will start they stay laid back and are not ready to participate in it. And with that, you are losing opportunities. So especially when you see opportunities like this that don't mandate you that you must do the referral part, you can start earning without even doing any referral parts. It's not a must to do referral parts. As long as you put in your money, they bought straight for you and you make your profit. But the people that get involved and bring in referrals, we get commissions. And I can tell you, the commissions are like passive incomes. So they may start small, but by the time it goes big, the commissions will even surpass your daily profits. We surpass your bought profits at the end of the day. So it's that deep. So all you need to do is to understand the marketing plan and how the commissions are going to be paid. Then you can now structure yourself and plan yourself in a way to make a whole lot of money from this opportunity. Okay. So the last one is the level income. You can also make money through this level. This level income talks about your level in the team. As you build your team, you make make some money as your team goes very deep. So the deeper your team, the more money you make at each of the levels. So you earn commissions from all of them. So that's just the referral part. This slide simply talks about the referral part. So let's move into the next page. Okay. How to level achieve. This just talks for people that want to get involved in the referral programming. You can see the different levels, how to level achieve. This will be explained more as you get into it. But for the purpose of people that don't want to do the referral parts, I will not spend a lot of time here. You all understand all what referral program is all about. So this explains more about the referral program. So I'll just simply go into the next slide. Now, this still talks about how you earn, the percentage you earn. You can see for AF1, AF2, AF3. These are the percentages you earn from all these levels as you achieve these levels. Once you start, I think you'll be on AF1. As you achieve 3 direct downlines and then 10 member in your team, you achieve AF2. So it goes like that. So as you go deeper and deeper into the level, as you grow deeper and deeper into the level, going to achieve, you are going to be earning more in percentage, and you can see the percentages you'll be earning as you achieve each of these ranks. So I won't be dwelling more on this because I know some people don't like referral programming. Okay, this is also for the fuel programming. Like I told you, that $20 will be deducted for fuel fee. So it's also planned. This $20 is being deducted. It's not just being deducted for deducting sake. It's also planned for referral programming. So as people also join and they are also deducting their $20, you also be earning. So depending on the level you have achieved, and you can see the corresponding percentages you will earn from the fuel programming. So it's a whole lot in terms of commission, and I bet you can earn so much in terms of commission by just joining. So, okay, this talks about the partner program. Now, all these slides we are looking at now just further explains the one we have checked before on how you can earn on referral programming. So, this one I'll talk about the partner program. As a partner, as you achieve each of these levels, you are becoming a partner, and these are the percentages you earn. So I said I won't waste much time on all this referral programming and because I know a lot of people don't like it. But as you get into the program, you will understand more about them and you will want to also achieve all of these levels. I tell you because the money there is crazy, serious. So this is performance programming. I won't talk much on it. Just move to the next line. Now, level income. This is another way you can earn under the referral program. Okay, let me just conclude this video because it's already getting long. Okay, now this is how to activate your robot. Okay, he said after adding an account to the robot, you should not manually trade in it. If you do this, the account will be removed from the robot and it will take 5 to 10 days to add it back. So this simply, just like you have the freedom to choose the broker platform you want to trade with, they are not choosing for you. They are giving you the freedom to do that, and thereby you have your capital under your control. But they are also advising that once you have linked your bots, that is once you have linked your broker account to your AutoFx bots, you are not allowed to pick trade on your own because I know some of you are traders on your own. You are gurus. So, but for the sake, so I would advise that you use a platform, a broker platform that you are not really using to trade on your own. You should have a separate broker platform you're using to trade so that you won't go and be picking trade for on this AutoFX program because they don't want you to manually pick trade on your own. You should leave it for the bot to trade for you because that's why you are joining the program. If you don't want the bot to trade for you, you're not joining. So once they notice that you are picking trade on your own, it will start affecting their own bot performance. So once they notice you are picking trade on your own, it says they will remove your account from the robot and it will take 5 to 10 days to add by, and it will start taking a whole lot of protocols. They will start telling you to feed this, do that before you can get back your bot. So you won't want to waste the money you have used to purchase the bot and now trying to activate it. You are now picking trade on your own. So let the bot, if you are actually getting involved in AutoFX, let the bot trade for you. Just leave it for the bot to do its work. You don't have to trade on your own. So then this talks about after the account is added on the robot, you will withdraw 10% to 40% of the month. So please be patient. Yes, that the bot is capable of making you earn up to 40% uh, of your capital every month. So all you need to do is to be patient. Don't be in a hurry and go and start picking trade on your own. Let the bot just do the work that it has been asked to do. So then this next title, profit can be withdrawn anytime. You can see you can withdraw your profit anywhere, but ensure minimum equity of $200. That's the minimum of $200 must be in your account. A minimum of $200 capital, because that's the capital you are required to have in your trading account. So that the bot can work for you. But any profit on top of it can be withdrawn at any time. You can withdraw your profit anytime. So ensure a minimum equity of $200 in your account at all times. Fuel fee is paid at the end of the month of the trading month. So you can see that fuel fee is coming up again. Fuel fee is always paid every month at the end of the I think it's paid once in a month. So you can see that it's being used for one of the programming. So that's one of the reasons why you have to participate in the referral program, but it's not compulsory anyway. So I think that's all to now how to buy the bots. I will explain this in my next video. I will explain how to do this. I will do the practical explanation. You see it practically how you can buy your bots and how you can fund the account. So add a bot. This is talking about how you can link your bots with your account. So I think that's all we have here. And that's all about the slide. So that's AutoFX for you. And I would really love you to click on the link below and register your account. At least secure your spots, secure your slots for now. Even if you have not, even if you don't have the cash, even if you don't have the fund to activate your account now, you can always secure your spots because your position too is very important in the team. Eventually, we are going to become a referral program participant. So but if you don't want to become a referral program participant, it still does not do you any harm by registering your account first. So that is all on this video. I think I've already dragged this video long enough, and I don't like my videos to always be this long, but for the purpose of the explanation of the slide, I had to make it this long. So that's all on this video. In my watch out for the next video where I'll be showing you practically how you can activate your account, how you can fund your account, and how you can add your robot. So in my next video, we'll enter the AutoFx interface, we'll enter the site, and I'll show you, explain some other uh, icons on the site for you and show you how to fund and activate your account. So all you need to do for now from this video is just to simply click on the registration link and get registered first. Once you have gotten registered, then the next stage will be for you to activate your account by funding your account. So that is all on this video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and share the video with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to click on the subscription button. Thank you. See you in the next video. God bless.